Earth's magnetic field protects the planet. Your energy field protects you. Here are 6 powerful ways to cleanse your aura. Number 1, breathe with awareness. Your breath is electromagnetic. Slow, intentional breathing resets your nervous system and clears static from your field. Number 2, nature immersion. Trees, rivers, sunlight recalibrate your energy, just like Earth's own aura resets through solar winds. Number 3, salt baths. Salt absorbs negative charge. Sea salt, or Epsom salt baths, act like energetic magnets, drawing out what don't belong. Number 4, movement and sweat. From martial arts to walking, movement releases stuck energy. Your body is a conduit. Sweat is a purge. Number 5, voice vibrations. Gentle humming or natural sighs can shake off emotional debris. Your voice is a tuning fork. Use it to realign. Number 6, intention and visualization. See light washing over you. Intention plus belief equal biochemical and energetic transformation. This is ancient. This is real. Cleanse your aura. Protect your energy. Your field is sacred. Return to the source. Follow for more warrior wisdom and life-changing truth.